Inshallah, I think we can start. Let others come.
But I can see that we have very few people. That's the point. We're only 7. That means we have 2 or 3 extra people, right?
Yeah, so
I said is co-host. You are co-host. Everybody is co-host.
Yeah.
So we have Salman and Zain only.
Yes.
யாருமே வர மாட்டாங்க.
At least we have delayed it for people to come in.
Yeah, this is not a matter of the timing. This is a matter of interest.
Okay. I understand. Okay. So we can get started, inshallah.
Up to you, inshallah. If you want more time, we are flexible, alhamdulillah.
Yeah, because I want more people, if possible. If people, if we're sure of getting more people, I don't mind if we give them some 2-3 minutes.
Yeah, it is right, because once they connected from the beginning, it is easy for us to catch the session properly.
Yes. Yeah. And already you're recording. But you can cut this part off before you convert. During the conversion, you can remove part of the time wasted.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You're welcome, Zain.
How's it going?
How are you?
Good, alhamdulillah.
Zain, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
You're welcome to the class.
Where is your father?
He is in Pakistan on leave, you know.
He's not in Saudi? He's not in Saudi Arabia?
No, not in Saudi Arabia. He's in Pakistan.
Right.
Inshallah.
So he come back, huh?
He's
come back from Saudi Arabia.
He's with me. He's with me.
Oh, he's watching, mashallah.
Sir, will you tell us about direct and indirect narration?
Direct and indirect?
Yeah, I'm confusing with direct and indirect narration.
Direct and indirect narration. Okay, when you're talking about direct narration, let me try to find an easier way to put it. That means direct speech and indirect speech. Are you with me?
Yeah, I'm talking about direct and indirect speech.
Okay. Direct and indirect speech. This is easy to actually decode. So what you do in most cases is the way you present the case on ground can be directly or reported. So if you are speaking about something that you have first-hand information of, then it is direct. And if you are talking about something that happened, it's like you are reporting about something. That will be indirect. Somebody said, this person said. You get the idea. But if you are saying it directly, then it is not reporting. Okay, let me find a better example for you. If I want to quote you, it's the exact words that you use that I will give out. Then if I want to use a direct speech, for instance, I will just repeat what you said. If I say, for instance, okay, sir, can you tell us about direct and indirect speech? Zain said. Then I would put that in quotes. You get the point now?
Yeah, okay.
Now, if I want to, now when you talk to me and I want to tell people what you told me, if I am not reporting it, if I'm reporting, that is indirect. But if I am quoting exactly what you said, then that will be direct speech. For instance, just like you told me, you asked me, right? That you are confusing
Okay.
between direct and indirect speech, right? So if I want to tell the other people, I will say, I get confused about direct and indirect speech, said Zain, or Zain said. You see that those were exactly the words you spoke. I didn't change anything. You get the point?
Yeah, I get it.
Aha. So since I have not changed anything in your sentence, that is called direct speech. If it is indirect speech, right, I will say, if it is indirect speech, I will say, Zain said he mixes up direct and indirect speech. This is indirect because I'm reporting you. There will not be quotation marks there. But if I say Zain said, quotation mark, I confuse direct and indirect speeches. You see, I said Zain said, or I can say it first, then I will say said Zain. You get the difference now? So this is direct speech. But if I say Zain said he cannot separate direct and indirect speeches, that is indirect speech because I'm reporting you. I'm reporting what you said, but I'm not quoting what you said. If I say, supposing I tell you, I will be going home in 30 minutes. So can you put it in direct speech and indirect speech separately and let me hear? I am going home. I will be going home after 30 minutes. Based on my explanation, can you put this first in indirect speech?
Sir, can
And
you
then
repeat?
I said, I would be going home in 30 minutes. So put it in direct speech and indirect speech. If you understood my explanation, can you try? Because I
No, I'm
told you.
still I'm still confused. I'm not understanding the right way of
Okay.
direct and indirect speech.
Okay. Direct speech, when you are quoting somebody, when you are talking about exactly what the person said, you know you are going to put quotation mark, some 2 marks up and 2 marks up at the beginning and at the end. You remember that?
Yes, yes, the
Some
inverted
2,
commas.
yeah, inverted commas. Thank you. God bless you. So inverted commas, you put inverted commas in the beginning and in the end of the sentence. That is called, those are called quotation marks. They are called quotation marks. So if, when I said I would be going home in 30 minutes, right? If you say it that Adam said he would be going home in 30 minutes. This is
He would go
indirect
home
speech.
in 30 minutes.
Yes, that means you are reporting, you are telling somebody what I said, right? In that case, you are telling somebody
Yeah, I
what I
get the
said.
difference.
So that is indirect speech.
And tell some about an indirect speech.
Yeah, if you say it that way, okay, Adam said he would be going home in 30 minutes. This is indirect speech. But if you want to make it direct speech, you will repeat exactly what I said, but in quotation marks. You put inverted comma in the beginning and you write, I would be going home in 30 minutes. Quotation mark close. That is this, the second inverted comma at the end of the sentence. And then you will say, Adam said, or said Adam. You get the idea now?
Yeah, little idea.
Why little? That's why I said, if you are quoting what I said, that is direct
Yeah,
speech.
I get the difference. When somebody sing and you exact tell the other somebody that thing or
If you are using the same
like,
words that I use, if you are using the same words that I used
yeah,
to tell somebody, if you tell somebody the same
that's
words
what
that I use,
that's what I mean.
that is direct speech. And if you put it as a statement, like a reported speech, that is indirect speech. You know the reported speech, just like I told you, reported speech is Zain said that he does not know the difference between direct and indirect speech, or Zain said he confuses between direct and indirect speech. You get the point? That is reported speech. So this one is indirect. But if I say, if I want to use your exact words, I would say, I confuse between direct and indirect.
Brother Adam, your phone is mute.
Sorry, Zen, a call came in. I'm using my phone, you know. Will you give me some 2 minutes? I need to collect something and get back.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Then you,
okay, no problem.
and by the time I come back, you will give me 2 examples of direct and indirect speeches.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Walaikum Assalam.
Aha. Actually,
Alaikum Assalam wa rahmatullah.
I stayed longer. I'm very, very sorry about that.
No problem, no problem.
Yeah. My video has stopped. Maybe I will need to restart this. What happened?